Good evening, everyone. I will demonstrate to you on how to fold a formal letter and on how to put it on a folder. So first step is you just fold it like this, but not totally fold like this. Then make sure the both edge is aligned. Then next is fold the other part like this. And then leave some space here, 1 or 2 inch, and then next is fold it totally like this, and then next using your finger like this, and then next we put it in a folder just like this. And it's done.